look about the life of Jatayu. What is the standout feature of Jatayu? His sacrifice of his wings and his life to Ramachandra. When Mother Sita was being taken, Jatayu saw, this is my opportunity to serve Sri Ramachandra. And it's so fascinating, the Ramayana describes that Ramachandra came back and he saw Mother Sita missing. He saw her flower garlands and the flower of her hair all in distorted scenario. It's like flowers all over the place. Then he started seeing where Mother Sita is, and as he came close, he saw this big vulture bird sleeping on the floor with blood. Blood on his beak, blood all over his body. And Ramachandra picked his arrow and strung it to his bow. And he told Lakshman, it is this nonsense, this foolish, this low-class vulture bird which has eaten my Sita. And Mother Sita's blood is all over his body. Look at him. I'm going to kill him. Lakshmana said, no, my lord, wait. Let's go and see what's happening. When they went close, Lakshmana asked him, who are you? Jatayu said, my only identity is that I am an aspiring servant of Ramachandra. So what is your name? And then he started describing, I am Jatayu. And Ramachandra remembered, actually Jatayu was the closest friend of Dasharath Maharaj. And Jatayu was the king of birds for 60,000 years. And when he was weak and old, he had now sacrificed his life for Ramachandra's pleasure. Ramchandra asked him, you know that you would die. Hey Jatayu, you didn't have hands, it's just claws. And you have wings, you don't have weapons, you don't have a chariot, you don't have a charioteer, you don't have 10 heads like Ravana, you don't have 20 hands like him. Why did you still fight him? You could have just let him go. You knew that he would kill you. Jatayu looked at Ramachandra and he said, my lord, actually I knew I'm going to die. I didn't fight Ravana to kill him. I didn't fight to destroy him. I had only one purpose. My lord, according to astrology, the moment when Mother Sita was being kidnapped from this area, it was the Vindhya Muhurta. And Vindhya Muhurta is that Muhurta in astrology, when you perform an activity, you become successful in that. And my lord, I knew if I let Ravana pass through this area during Vindhya Muhurta, he will be successful in taking Mother Sita and she will never come back. But my lord, I also know the next Muhurta after this is called as Punarvasu Muhurta. And Punarvasu means that which whatever you do comes back at you. So my lord, I knew if I let him go during Punarvasu Muhurta, even if he takes Mother Sita for now, she will come back. And what he performs to me will be performed to him by you. So my lord, I knew that I am going to die. So I didn't fight Ravana to win over him. I just laid down my life to delay the Muhurta by 48 minutes. So here is Jatayu. One Muhurta is 48 minutes, 2 dandas. One danda is 24 minutes, one Muhurta is 2 dandas, which is 48 minutes. And therefore we see the Brahma Muhurta that we say. 48 minutes, so 96 minutes, the twice of 48. How does it go? The first 48 minutes is called as Samudra Muhurta, and the next 48 minutes is called Brahma Muhurta. So this is 48 plus 48, 96, 1.5 hours before sunrise. So my lord, I knew I am going to die, but I wanted to delay the kidnapping of Mother Sita by 48 minutes. So here is Jatayu, who is ready to slit his body, slit his wings for 48 minutes of service to Ramachandra. This is greatness. This is greatness. We are not able to give ourselves even in 48 years. And Jatayu is ready to lay down his life just for 48 minutes of service to Krishna. So sacrifice is the chief quality of a devotee. Devotee means he who is devoted in sacrificing, in sharing, in risking for the Lord's pleasure.